In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Razer mouse to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use most Razer mice directly connected to any mobile device that you have, so either Android or iOS. There are two main ways to do this. The first one is going to be extremely convenient, and it is by far the most recommended one because it is going to work natively. So all that you have to do is enable Bluetooth on your phone. So open the settings application, and regardless if you have an Android or iOS device, go over into the Bluetooth category. In there, you will be able to enable Bluetooth, and once Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, pick up your Razer mouse and put it into pairing mode. You will have to set up Bluetooth on your specific Razer mouse. If your Razer mouse model does not have Bluetooth, then sadly you will have to use the alternative method that I'm also going to talk about. But if it does have Bluetooth, just make sure that it is selected from the toggle, and you will be able to find it under the list of available devices on your Android or iOS device. Now you will be able to select it, a cursor will appear on your screen, and now you will be able to use the Razer mouse on your phone. It is going to work for gaming, navigating through the menus, browsing the web, and so on. Now, like I said before, if your specific Razer mouse model does not feature Bluetooth, then sadly there is no other convenient way to connect it. The only option available is going to be to do a wired connection, meaning that you have to use an adapter. Most Razer mice will have a USB-A plug, so you will have to use a Lightning to USB-A or a USB-C to USB-A connection. So make sure that you purchase the appropriate adapter depending on the ports that you have available on your phone, and once you plug it in, you will be able to set it up. Besides the option to use Bluetooth, you will have to use an adapter, so choose accordingly depending on whether your Razer mouse has Bluetooth or not. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Razer mouse to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.